Hello guys, a warm welcome to my channel. So today we are here to make very beautiful home decor out of old bottles. So here I have these conditioner bottles. So first of all we are going to mark a square or rectangle shape on it, and we need to cut this portion out. So see what we are going to do. With the help of knife, hot knife basically, we'll be cutting it like this. We'll be making the knife hot, and now I am just cutting it out. uh, 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 uh. See, one of the side has been cutted. Now we are going to cut the next side. Cutting, 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 and cutting. And yeah, if you're a child, so you may, do this in front of any elder, or you may take help of any elder, because we do not want injuries to you. Okay, now I have done like this two other bottles also with another shapes, and now I have painted them, and now I am going to paint the another bottle with the help of the green color. It's up to you whatever color you want to take. Now it is done. And yeah, you may remember that you need to do two coats of color on it, so that the written portion on the bottle do not is not visible. Okay, so moving to the first hack. So with the red one, first of all, what we just need to do is we need to take out this wire out of the hole that we have upside. And now this is done, and we need to just put it in the switch. And also one thing, you need to keep some decorative material inside it, as I have kept some leaves, so that it do not look empty and incomplete. Okay, and it's up to you whatever you need to put. You can put artificial birds in it. They may show that they are coming out of a hole. Whatever you want to show, it's all up to you. You can decorate it on Diwali or on the daily basis. It's all up to you. Okay, so this is done. Now moving to the second, I have put some soil into it in both the bottles. In one, I'll be putting these artificial thing, decorative material, and in the second, I'll be putting a plant. In green one, I'll be putting this artificial material. This is not, really being stuck very properly, so you may use a thermocol sheet also. That will be favorable, and I have also used this, but I'll be showing you that in the last. Okay, so now let's put the plant into it, and yeah, you may cover it with more soil afterwards. It's all up to you. So here I am putting this flower, and I'll be properly covering it with the soil. After it is settled down, it is absolutely ready to be kept anywhere. Okay, so in this yellow one, I had more some cutting like a shape of a bat in the front side, so that we can keep the plant there, or we can give a little bit of posture to the plant. See, it is kept like that. Okay, and now in the green one, I will show you. See. I have kept some thermocol sheet also here. See, you can see. Here is the thermocol sheet. Now it is properly kept on it, and I have covered that thermocol sheet with the help of some rose petals. And yellow one, you can see the posture for plant. So